how to allow or block iCloud Drive syncing using cellular data on iPhone. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then tap on your Apple account name at the top. Next, tap on iCloud. Then tap on Drive. And from here, we go down and tap on Cellular Data. At the top here, tap on Cellular Data. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. You can also allow unlimited data by tapping on the toggle button. Here's a use unlimited cellular data to sync with iCloud Drive. This may result in overage fees if you don't have an unlimited data plan. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.